Hi and welcome to this amazing section that we are going to add UI features to your activity. In this video, we are going to set up your project for our first material design project. What is material design? The material design was introduced along with Android Lollipop 5 API version 21 and is a visual language that makes your life easy. To cut to the chase, you don't need to write your own visual code to make your app's user experience more enjoyable, dynamic, bold, and of course friendly. It's all there in material design. The thing that worries us is what happens to devices below Lollipop. Well, we make material design possible with below Lollipop via Compat for API 7 above. Of course, they won't have the same experience but much closer. To make our projects materialistic, we need to implement the design library. You can directly copy and paste this line of code or add it from the settings. Make sure you have the latest SDK version and also update your emulator so you can see the latest versions and all the updates that are available. After you add the library, the project gets auto-synced, but after that, your material design project is ready to go.